If you've been to the grocery store recently, you've probably noticed that dried vegetables and freeze-dried fruits are pretty popular. The problem is there's only a small selection of freeze-dried fruits, and some companies claim to be healthy alternatives when they're anything but. So check out Mother Earth products. Mother Earth Products sells non-GMO, additive, and preservative-free freeze-dried fruits and vegetables to be eaten as snacks or used when preparing a dish. By dehydrating the fruits and vegetables, they remove all the water to make sure mold and bacteria can't grow, allowing you to enjoy them whenever you want and for easy, long-term storage. Additionally, it maintains the nutritional value, including vitamins and minerals. Think of it like eating fresh vegetables in the most convenient way possible. You can add them to your meal as a side dish or add into a recipe. It's also a great way to eat healthy when you're camping, hiking, biking, backpacking, or just out and about. They're an excellent way to eat healthy while on the go. For more information about Mother Earth products or to buy some of these yummy snacks, visit motherearthproducts.com today.